What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy, bringing it back from the Average Model Breezeway again. Like I said in the previous video, I was going to be showcasing the cars I'm going to be taking to the model show on Saturday, October, what is it, 22nd, I believe it'll be. Yep, Saturday, October 22nd. So this is what we're going to be taking. We'll start over here. We've got our Top Gun Mavericks bike. I decided I'm going to go ahead and enter it, minus the rear tail light. We've got our Breast Cancer Awareness Month modified. I've got my MPC Pontiac GTO Super Stocker. And I've got my Dodge Charger Daytona. I've got my funny car I'll be taking. We've got the Wilson's Gasser car that I built for my father. And we've got our City of Fort Wayne snowplow. And then we've got our Tonka cement mixer. And then our Johnny 5 Lightning. I'll have pictures of all these models so you guys can get a better look at them. But yes, this is what I'm going to be taking for the model show. Looking really forward to it. Hopefully we'll bring home some more trophies this year. Yep, so stay tuned after this for all the pictures. And I totally forgot about these two. They were sitting over on the steps. I moved them out of the way for the Tonka truck final build video. But anyways, yeah, I got two aircraft I'm actually turning. I've got this F-18 that I did up like a Soviet plane. And then I've got my F-4. Yep, I'm going to be entering these two in as well. So, yeah, sorry about that. I almost forgot. So, yes, we're going to zoom out. And then I also have my 3D printed Johnny 5 I'm going to enter in as well. He's been helping me out build, so might as well. So, yes, here's everything we got that we're going to be taking to the model competition. All right, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And turn on notifications so you guys will see what's coming up for the next build.